Hello and welcome to your weekend forecast from the Met Office. As you may be able to guess from the picture behind me, it's not plain sailing this weekend. Some stormy weather on the way, very strong winds, especially on Saturday, heavy downpours too. Sunday looks a little calmer, but even then there will be blustery showers. What's going on? Well, we have to look out into the Atlantic, a deep area of low pressure. This is Storm Brian. It's been named by the Irish Met Service. They're going to get some very strong winds. Look at the squeeze on the isobars. But across the UK as well, it is going to get very blustery. Initially on Friday night, as a band of rain sweeps through, we'll all see some wet weather and then those gusty winds. And then we continue around the circulation as Storm Brian arrives of seeing some very strong winds and some further heavy showers. Now, the winds at least coming up from the south, so it won't be a cold start to the weekend. And there will, at times, be some sunshine around, especially across eastern areas at first. But then bands of showers will be moving through, spiralling around that area of low pressure. At least the winds means that the showers will move on, so it won't rain all day. There'll be some drier spells. But we are quite concerned about the strength of the wind. Now, the Irish Met Service have an amber warning in force, and that's why the storm has been named. Across the UK, the warnings at this stage remain yellow, but they could still cause some problems. The gust of wind of 50, 60, maybe 70 miles an hour around coasts, coupled with some high tides, could bring some coastal flooding. Initially across the west, but through the course of Saturday, we'll see strong winds pushing right along the south coast. And again, some coastal flooding is possible because of the strength of the wind and the high tides. Again, gusts around coasts, 60 to maybe 70 miles an hour. Inland, gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour. Some transport disruption is possible, particularly to ferries, and those kind of gusts could bring some damage to trees, that kind of thing. So there is the potential for some problems through the course of Saturday. Temperature-wise, well, we're looking at mid-teens and feeling cooler because of the strength of the wind. It remains blustery on Saturday night. There'll be further showers. If anything, the winds could get a bit stronger across Northern Ireland on Saturday night into Sunday morning. So that's another area for concern. Temperatures dropping to 9 or 10 degrees to start Sunday. Then on Sunday, you can see the circulation there. The low pressure is moving away, and so things will be a little calmer. There'll be maybe some lengthier, drier spells, a bit more sunshine, but there'll still be a lot of showers. The winds, though, will continue to ease down a little bit. Temperatures 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. Do take note, though, there is some potentially stormy weather on the way, so please stay up to date with all the weather warnings. You can keep up to date yourself through the Met Office website, of course, the Met Office app, or you can follow us on Twitter. We are @Met Office.